How to unhide reels from your Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. If you have hidden the reels from your Facebook profile, that means you have either archived it or deleted it from your profile. In order to unhide it, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. Scroll down. Under the section for your activity, you can find the option for activity log. Tap on it. Now tap on the option Your Facebook Activity. Scroll down. Find the option for Reels. Tap on the option Manage Reels right under it. Now you can see the archive reels and trash reels in this interface. If you have archived the reels, tap on the option Archive. Now you can see the reels that you've archived over here. Tap on the three dots right next to it. Tap on the option Restore to Profile. Tap on the option Restore. If you have trashed the reel, tap on the option Trash. Now repeat the same process. Now you can go back. Now go to the profile interface. Now if the reel was hidden initially, you'll be able to see those reels over here. Like this, you'll be able to unhide the reels from your Facebook profile. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.